you by Metals Update, the driving force behind your business. I am Neha Kamble from the Mumbai office on 24th July 2017. Zinc stocks held at LME warehouses have been decreasing in 2017. Stocks have decreased by 37% year to date, indicating a global deficit in supply of concentrates of the mined metal, leading to reduction of stocks. The International Lead and Zinc Study Group estimates global zinc market deficit widened to 92,400 tons in April from a revised deficit of 72,700 tons in March 2017. There has been a sudden increase in zinc demand in the United States and Europe, thus creating a robust demand for the metal amidst the supply constraints. The improving macroeconomic factors in China and 4% increase in domestic demand also adds up to the increasing global demand. Thus, it is expected that the zinc prices will increase by 10% in the next 6 months. Zinc closed at $2,753.5 US per ton on the benchmark London Metals Exchange, increasing by 0.97% on Friday. Prices have gained 9.22% year to date. World apparent refined usage of copper is estimated to have declined by around 3% in the first 4 months of 2017, according to the report released by International Copper Study Group. Preliminary data indicates that although world ex-China usage might have grown slightly by around 0.5%, growth was more than offset by a 7% decline in Chinese apparent demand. Chinese apparent demand, excluding the changes in unreported stocks, is declined by 7% because although refined copper production increased by 6.5%, net imports of refined copper declined by 36%. Among other major copper using countries, usage increased in India, Japan and Taiwan, but declined in the United States and Germany. On a regional basis, usage is estimated to have declined in all regions: Africa by 1%, in Asia by 3%, excluding China, in the Americas by 1% and in Europe by 6%. World refined copper balance for the first 4 months of 2017 indicates a surplus of around 80,000 tons. This is mainly due to the decline in Chinese apparent demand. Hindustan Zinc has decreased zinc prices by Rs 2,500 per metric ton today. Special high grade is now priced at Rs 2,03,400 per metric ton as compared to Rs 2,05,900 per metric ton at Tarapur stock point on 20th July 2017. Hindustan Zinc has decreased lead prices by Rs 3,200 per metric ton today. Lead of 99.99% concentration is now priced at Rs 1,71,100 per metric ton as compared to Rs 1,74,300 per metric ton at Tarapur stock point on 20th July 2017. Metals Update assessed offers of MS scrap from Mandi Gobindgarh market at Rs 19,300 per ton. Offers of MS ingots at Mandi Gobindgarh are currently quoted at Rs 28,300 per ton, while at Raipur and Bhiwadi the offers have been recorded at Rs 25,400 and Rs 27,100 per ton respectively. Hong Kong origin aluminium 6063 is being offered at $1,550 CNF Chennai port. Indian origin heavy melting steel scrap is being offered at $275 per metric ton FOB India. 62% iron ore is being offered at $62 per ton on FOB Vizag. Thank you for listening. Join me again tomorrow for the latest updates from the metals market. Visit metalsupdate.com for more information and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.